Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Beauty and Lifestyle. So guys, today we are going to show you how to make a delicious nutritious Indian beverage called Kesar Badam Milk. This drink is perfect for any time of the day and it's packed with the goodness of almond, saffron and milk. So let's get started. First we need to soak the almond in hot water for about 30 minutes. After that, peel the almond and blend them into a smooth paste using a little milk. Set this almond paste aside for later use. And next, pour the milk into a heavy bottom pan and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now it's time to add the almond paste to the milk. Stir it in well, making sure there are no lumps. Next, add the sugar and mix until it's dissolved completely. The milk is shimmering, let's infuse it with the saffron. Take a few saffron strands and soak them in 2 tablespoons of warm milk for about 5 minutes. This will help release the beautiful color and aroma of the saffron. So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoy it and learn something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave comment down below letting me know what you thought. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.